back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So in today's video I'm going to create this makeup look, guys. This very nude at the same time,
some pop of color, guys.
So I just love this look, and if you are new to my channel, then please take a moment to subscribe my channel, guys. It's mean a lot. And guys, please press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the video you get notification, guys. And you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is this. So guys, let's get started this video. Hey guys, for today's makeup look I'm going to start off with, as usual, for moisturizing my face I'm going to use this Biotic morning nectar cream, guys, and it is liquidy, so it is good for oily skin, and I'm going to apply it a generous amount on my face and massage it. Next, for the lip balm, here I am using Biotic berry lip balm, and guys, it is a pink undertone, so it is a tinted lip balm. Also guys, it is very thick lip balm, so it will moisturize your lip for a long time, and I just love this lip balm. You can definitely try this one. Next, for primer, here I am using Swiss Beauty Real Base Makeup Primer, guys. This is in the shade 01 Natural Tint, and guys, it is a strobe cream, so you can definitely apply this primer underneath your foundation. And guys, next, for blending it, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Kabuki brush. It is a flat top brush, so it will just blend it very seamlessly. And guys, if you are going for a party or any wedding look, so you can definitely apply it underneath your foundation or mix it with your foundation, so it will look good and glowy. After priming my face, next for the foundation, here I'm using Lakme 925 foundation. This is my all-time favorite foundation, guys. And guys, also if you have a dry and combination skin, then you should definitely try this one, and I am in the shade Warm Natural. Next guys, for blending I'm going to use this beauty blender, and this is very affordable and squishy, so I just love this. And I'm just blending my foundation in the dabbing motion, so as you can see how easily it blends. So guys, all product links are in the description box, so you can definitely check this out. And guys, talking about this foundation for dry and combination skin, it will just like a magic foundation, so you can definitely try this one, guys. And also its finish is like so seamlessly, so beautifully. I just love this finish, guys. And it is a medium to full coverage foundation. So next, for concealing and highlighting my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 20 Sand, and I just love this concealer. It is creamy and it's a full coverage concealer, so I'm just highlighting my face. And next, for blending it, I'm going to use this beauty blender. This time I'm going to use the edgy side of this beauty blender, and I'm just blending my concealer using in a dabbing motion. So guys, as you can see how easily it's blend. So guys, always take time for blending, just because blending is the most important step in your whole makeup. So blending slowly and in a dabbing motion. For setting my base, I'm going to use this Inside Loose powder. This is the banana powder, and it's come up like this. So guys, for applying this, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. For that I'm going to use Swiss Beauty powder brush. And guys, as you can see, it is yellow undertone, so it will brighten up my under eye and whole face. First I'm just removing my crease, and next set it. So guys, talking about this powder, this is the very affordable loose powder. If you want to try a loose powder and affordable loose powder, then you can definitely try this one, guys. It is a yellow undertone, so it will brighten up my whole face, so I just love this. Next guys, for filling my eyebrows, yeah, here I'm using this clear eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade medium brown, and guys, it is really creamy and waxy, so it just fill my eyebrows like very nicely. So guys, whenever you are doing your makeup, so always fill your eyebrow. It will change your whole makeup, so never skip it, guys. And always comb it with a spoolie, so it will spread your all product. Next guys, I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Pro Looks palette, and this is very gorgeous palette, guys, as you can see. Next I'm using this angular brush, and using this gray shade I'm going to fill my eyebrow once again. So guys, whenever you are doing your Indian or any occasional makeup, you should apply you should fill your eyebrow like this, so it will change your whole makeup. Just because guys, using a powder product over your waxy product, it will look so natural and so fuller, and personally I just love this trick these days. So guys, starting with the eye makeup, first I'm taking this brown shade and this eyeshadow brush guys. This eyeshadow brush is from Cuffs and Lashes guys. So I'm just applying in my all over eyelid guys. So today's eye makeup is very effortless, but it will look like you have done a lot of effort. So guys, just 3 steps and your eye makeup will done. First step is apply any brown shade. Next I'm going to apply a foil shade. So guys, whenever you are apply a foil shade, use your finger, so it will give you a more pigmentation as compared to your brush. I'm going to apply this golden foil shade and apply all over my eyelid using my finger. So as you can see how beautiful it looks guys, and I'm just blending this foil shade using my finger. So guys, for the lower lash line, here I'm using this purple shade and I'm going to apply in my lower lash line. For that I'm going to use this brush. This is from the Swiss Beauty and this is very nice smudger brush guys, and I'm just slowly just building up this color and apply it again and again. So guys, as you can see how beautiful it looks. And guys, next for the kajal, here I'm using Swiss Beauty Kohl Kajal and it is very affordable and a smudge proof kajal. So I'm just applying my waterline. So guys, for the eyeliner, here I'm using Swiss Beauty eyeliner. First, it is very affordable. Second, it is the jet black eyeliner guys, and its applicator is very nice, so I can easily draw a wing using it. Here I am drawing a foxy eyeliner. Personally, I just love foxy eyeliner these days. It just make my eyes look so beautiful. And guys, if you don't like a foxy eyeliner, then you should draw a simple eyeliner over this makeup. So guys, next for curling my lashes, here I'm using a curler and guys, coated with the mascara. For mascara, here I'm using Swiss Beauty mascara guys, and this mascara is really nice and it separates your lashes like so beautifully. And I'm just applying my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line guys. Next guys, for contouring my face, here I'm using Sugar Mini Bronzer Kit guys, and this shade is perfect for my skin tone. As you can see how beautiful it looks guys. If you are the same skin tone as I, so you can definitely try this one. So guys, if you want your nose look slim, so you should definitely contour your nose. For that here I'm using a eyeshadow brush and contouring my nose and blend it with the beauty blender. And for the blush, here I'm using Stay Quirky blush, and guys, this is very beautiful. As you can see, I have give the swatch of it, and guys, I'm going to apply with the light handed. And guys, it is very pigmented, so you should always dust off the excess. And guys, this is in the shade Pink Tiva and I just love. And guys, also it is not a matte blush, it has a shimmer on it, so if you like a blusher, so you can definitely try. So guys, just because it is highly pigmented, so it will stay for a long time. Next, for highlighting my face, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm using this eyeshadow brush. So I'm just highlight my face, and as you can see guys, this is very bomb.com highlighter, and personally this is my favorite highlighter guys. If you want to invest in one highlighter, so you should definitely try this one or the Wet n Wild one, just because these are affordable and very nice formulated. So guys, this highlighter has no chunky particles, so it will provide you a very nice glow to your face. And guys, as you can see how beautiful it looks. Next guys, for seamless blending my all product, I am going to use this beauty blender and running all over my face, so that all product will blend evenly and seamlessly. Next guys, for the lipstick, here I am using Nykaa So Creamy lipstick. This is in the shade Let It Snooze, and this is very beautiful shade. And for setting my whole makeup, here I am using Blue Heaven makeup fixer guys, and this is very affordable makeup fixer. So guys, here's my final look. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel guys, like this video and share it with your friend and family guys. Take care guys, bye bye.